Catch-up bookkeeping doesn't have to be messy, at least not on your end. I've done a lot of it, and over time, I built a process that's clean, efficient, and actually helps me get through the chaos without losing my mind. Here's how I do it. First, I gather everything: statements, receipts, invoices, whatever the client has. If we're starting from scratch, I also create a custom chart of accounts. To create this, I'll usually look at the type of expenses or invoices and income that's typical for my client's industry and the kinds of expenses that are typically deductible according to the CRA. And I also just take a quick skim through their documents. That also tells me a lot about what categories we're going to need. So once I've got the receipts and invoices, I upload them to HubDoc. This is my go-to because it doesn't matter if the receipts are in order by date, which, let's be honest, they never are. And it also flags duplicates, which saves me from accidentally entering the same transaction more than once. And since it also integrates with QuickBooks Online, I can publish straight from HubDoc into QBO, creating supplier names and assigning accounts as I go. After I've published all the receipts and invoices that I have, I shift focus to the bank data. I have clients either connect their accounts to QuickBooks or send me a CSV or Excel file, which they can export from their online banking for the period that I'm working on, and then I upload that to QBO. Then, after QuickBooks has had some time to process it, it'll bring up suggested matches. I match everything that I can between the bank feed and the receipts that I've already entered. But of course, there's always going to be those transactions that don't have corresponding receipts but show up in the bank feed. So, I mean, it's always bound to happen. And basically, what I just do is I download a list of the transactions. QuickBooks has an option to just download an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF of the transactions. And then I send it to my clients using a platform that I built called Ditch the Portal. So, Ditch the Portal basically allows me to send email inquiries to my clients, and all they have to do is reply directly from their inbox. I receive their responses within the platform and also in my email because it integrates with my email, and then I can keep track of each inquiry and the communications tied to each inquiry so I know exactly what I need to follow up on and what the client has responded to. And then when I get those answers back from my clients, whether it's the missing receipt for a specific transaction or just a quick note about what the charge was for, I'm able to finalize everything, reconcile the accounts if I can, and close their books for that period. With this process, I'm able to get through a full year's worth of catch up in just a day or two without burning out or getting stuck in the back and forth of email chains. It's clean, it's efficient, and very client friendly, and I'm able to keep my workload light while still delivering high quality and accurate books quickly.